Hello student, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to see the numericals of class 10th. Chapter is what? Gravitation, and your paper is what? Science 1. So here, what is the question? The radius of planet A, the radius of planet A is half of the radius of planet B. What is radius of planet A? What is the radius of the planet A? Right? Half of the radius of planet B. So we'll write let radius of planet A be what? RA, and radius of planet B be what? RB. So this is the what? Radius of planet A. Radius of planet A is what? RA, and radius of planet B is what? RB. So what is given at planet A? Radius of planet A, that is RA, is equal to what? Half of RB. RA is what? Half of RB. Means radius of planet A is equal to half of radius of planet B. Similarly, we will write let what? Mass of planet A be what? MA, and mass of planet B be what? MB. So you have to calculate what? You have to find out what must be the mass of planet B, so that the value of G on B, that is planet B, value of G on planet B is half that of its value on planet A. Means what is given? Value of Z on planet B, that is what? GB is half of GA. Means acceleration due to gravity is half of acceleration due to gravity on planet B is half of acceleration due to gravity on planet A. So you have to calculate what? You have to calculate mass of the planet B. What you have to calculate? Mass of the planet B. So how will calculate then? We know what is Z. Z is equal to Gm upon R square. So what will be Z on planet A? So this will be Z MA upon R square, RA square, because the acceleration due to gravity on planet A is what? ZMA upon RA square. MA is what? Mass of the planet A, where RA is the radius of planet A. Similarly, you will find the acceleration due to gravity on planet B. What will be GB? So this will be what? ZMB upon RB square. Okay? What will be ZB? ZB will be what? What will be ZB? ZM into B upon RB square. So this is the acceleration due to gravity on planet what? B. This is the acceleration due to gravity on planet A. So now you will find the ratio of GB to ZA. So GB upon ZA, this is equal to what? What is GB? GB is GMB upon RB square divided by ZMA upon RA square. Clear? You are finding the ratio of GB to ZA. What is GB? GB is GMB upon RB square. And what is GA? GMA upon RA square. So this is equal to what? GMB upon RB square into we'll write the total of this, so you will get RA square upon ZMA. Now we'll cancel G2 with Z. So G is cancelled out with G. So what you will get? MB upon MA. MB upon MA and into RA upon RB. RA upon RB the whole square. Now first we will write what is GB upon GA. So here already GB upon GA. When you will transfer, so what you will get? GB upon GA. Therefore from here only GB upon GA, it will be what? GB upon GA will be half, right? And what is RA upon RB? So this is what? RA is equal to 1 upon 2 RB. So RA upon RB, when you will transfer RB to left hand side, so RA upon RB, this is equal to 1 by 2. So this is also 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. So just put the value. GB upon GA will be what? What is GB upon GA? Visible हो रहा है क्या? So GB upon GA. What is GB upon GA? GB upon GA is what? 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 and this is equal to what? MB upon MA. MB upon MA into RA upon RB. What is RA upon RB? RA upon RB is 1 by 2. So write 1 by 2 the whole square. So this will be what? 1 by 2 MB. 1 square is 1, so multiply by 1, so you get 1 MB. And 2 square is 4, so this is 4 MA. Now we'll cross multiply. So 4 MA, 4 times MA is equal to 2 times what? MB. Clear? So therefore what will be MB? So MB is equal to 4 MA divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Therefore MB is equal to what? 2 MA. Clear? What will be the value of MB? MB is what?
2 MA.
MA. Means mass of planet B is what? Twice the mass of planet A. So that is asked what must be the mass of planet B, so that the value of C on B is half that of its value on A. So you will write mass of planet B is twice the mass of planet A. Okay? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So next question, next numerical we will see in the next video.